Welcome to John Auto Updates, your go-to channel for everything related to cars, trucks, bikes, and all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Subaru Forester. Whether you're looking for a reliable family SUV, an adventure-ready vehicle, or just a fuel-efficient daily driver, the new Forester has a lot to offer. Stay with us as we go through every aspect of this vehicle, from its design and performance to its features, safety, and pricing. The Subaru Forester has been a popular choice for years, known for its dependability, practicality, and all-wheel drive capabilities. The 2025 model builds on that legacy with a refreshed design, improved technology, and enhanced driving dynamics. Subaru has maintained its signature approach of blending ruggedness with modern-day comfort, making this SUV a great choice for various types of drivers. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Forester receives a more aggressive and contemporary design. The front end now features a bolder hexagonal grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide better visibility and a sharper look. The sculpted hood and prominent fenders add to its athletic stance, giving it a strong road presence. The side profile remains familiar, but subtle refinements in the body lines improve aerodynamics. Subaru has also introduced new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17-inch to 19-inch options, which enhance the SUV's rugged appeal. The rear end has been redesigned with updated LED taillights and a reworked bumper, giving it a more modern and refined look. There are also new color options, allowing buyers to personalize their Forester like never before. Under the hood, the 2025 Subaru Forester is powered by a tried-and-true 2.5-liter boxer engine that delivers around 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and enhanced fuel efficiency. Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard, providing superior traction on all terrains. Whether you're driving on city streets, highways, or rough trails, this system ensures stability and control. The Forester also features an upgraded X-Mode system, improving its off-road capabilities. For those who crave more power, there are rumors of a turbocharged variant, which could add an exciting performance boost to the lineup. Fuel efficiency remains one of the key highlights of the Forester. The 2025 model offers an estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The auto start-stop system helps improve efficiency by shutting off the engine when idling and restarting it seamlessly when needed. Moving to the interior, Subaru has focused on delivering a comfortable and tech-savvy cabin. The use of high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces gives the Forester a more premium feel. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with a strong emphasis on driver convenience. The front seats have been redesigned for better comfort and support, making long drives more enjoyable. Both the driver and front passenger benefit from improved seat cushioning, while the rear seats provide generous legroom and headroom. The panoramic sunroof, available in higher trims, adds an airy feel to the cabin, making it even more spacious. Technology is another area where Subaru has made significant improvements. The 2025 Forester features a new infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. The base models come with a standard 8-inch screen, while higher trims offer an upgraded 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The interface is user-friendly, offering quick access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings. For audiophiles, Subaru offers an optional Harman Kardon premium audio system, delivering a rich and immersive sound experience. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot further enhance connectivity. Subaru is known for prioritizing safety, and the 2025 Forester is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest version of Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning. The updated cameras and sensors provide better accuracy and responsiveness, ensuring a safer driving experience. Additional safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, which helps with parking and navigating tight spaces. Subaru has also reinforced the vehicle's structure to improve crash protection, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. For those who love adventure, Subaru offers the Forester Wilderness trim, designed for off-road enthusiasts. This variant features increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and additional underbody protection. The enhanced suspension system allows it to handle rough terrains with ease. The advanced X mode settings in the wilderness trim provide better traction on challenging surfaces like mud, snow, and rocky trails. This makes the Forester Wilderness a perfect companion for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and overlanding. The durable roof rails add to its practicality, allowing drivers to carry bikes, kayaks, or rooftop cargo. Cargo space is another strong selling point of the Forester. With the rear seats up, the SUV offers ample storage capacity for groceries, luggage, and daily essentials. Folding down the rear seats expands the cargo area significantly, making it easy to transport large items like furniture or outdoor gear. The hands-free power liftgate, available in select trims, adds convenience when loading and unloading. Subaru has also worked on refining the ride quality of the Forester. The improved suspension system absorbs road imperfections more effectively, ensuring a smoother and quieter ride. The enhanced sound insulation further reduces road and wind noise, creating a more comfortable driving experience. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the Forester delivers a refined and composed ride. In terms of trims, the 2025 Subaru Forester is expected to come in multiple variants, including the base, premium, sport, limited, touring, and wilderness. Each trim level offers a unique combination of features, catering to different customer preferences. The base model is well equipped with essential features, making it a great entry-level option. The premium trim adds more convenience and comfort upgrades, while the sport trim offers sporty design elements and unique accents. The limited and touring trims bring luxury features such as leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and advanced driver assistance technologies. The wilderness trim, as mentioned earlier, is designed for off-road adventurers, featuring rugged enhancements for extreme conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Forester has not been officially announced yet, but it is expected to start around $28,000 for the base model. Higher trims with advanced features could reach up to $40,000. Given Subaru's reputation for reliability, longevity, and strong resale value, the Forester remains a solid investment. Subaru has also introduced new subscription-based services for connected vehicle features. Owners can access remote start, vehicle diagnostics, and emergency assistance through the Subaru Starlink app. This adds another layer of convenience and security, allowing drivers to stay connected with their vehicle at all times. Overall, the 2025 Subaru Forester continues to uphold its reputation as a practical, versatile, and safe compact SUV. It offers a well-balanced combination of performance, efficiency, technology, and off-road capability. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or a family driver, the Forester has something to offer. So what do you think about the 2025 Subaru Forester? Is this the perfect SUV for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to John Auto Updates for more car reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive news. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.